Hello students, today we will start tenses. Tenses means tense. What is tense? जो हमें समय का बोध कराए. That tells about the time. And what type of time? That is present time, past or a future. How many tenses? Present tense, past tense or a future tense. प्रेजेंट टेंस विल इंडिकेट प्रेजेंट टाइम मीन्स जो समय अभी है, जो हमारा वर्तमान है. पास्ट टेंस मीन्स जो समय बीत चुका है, जो भविष्य है, जो हमारा पीछे भूतकाल है. और फ्यूचर जो हमारा भविष्य है, जो हमारा आने वाला समय है. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल टेक प्रेजेंट टेंस. हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ प्रेजेंट टेंस? देयर आर 4 parts. First one is present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. So now today in this video I will explain to you present indefinite tense. Yes, present indefinite. Present indefinite, how to identify which tense is present indefinite tense? According to statement, it states an action. ये हमें एक action बताता है. It doesn't say anything whether the action is completed or not. Whether the action is completed or not means यह नहीं बताता कि काम पूरा हो गया है या काम चल रहा है या काम पीछे ख़त्म हो गया है या काम आगे होगा. यह तो एक क्या करता है? इट डज नॉट से एनीथिंग, इट स्टेट्स एन एक्शन. ये तो एक काम बताता है कि भाई क्या काम होता है. मैं खाना खाता हूँ, मैं गाना गाता हूँ, मैं पढ़ता हूँ, मैं खेलता हूँ, लाइक दिस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डू सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर और फॉर्मेशंस. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस? प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में जो फॉर्मेशन होगी, फर्स्ट वन फॉर्मेशन that is for simple sentence and affirmative sentence. S, V and O I will use here. Then S stand for subject, O stand for object and V stand for verb here. S for subject, O for object and V for verb. So first structure is subject, first form of the verb with S or ES plus object. This one formation is for the simple sentence and affirmative sentence. For example, Mohan reads a book. Mohan is our subject, reads is our verb and with a S or a ES. A book is our object. So this one is our simple sentence or affirmative sentence. Second one formation is subject plus do does plus not plus V1 plus object. It means it is for negative sentence because here not is here. When we will use not in a sentence, then always take helping verb. And in present indefinite, our helping verb will be do and does. Do and does. With do does we will use not, then it will be our negative sentence. And one more thing we will always keep in mind is that in simple sentence we will use S or ES with first form of the verb. But if it use of helping verb do or does, we will use only first form of the verb. We will not use S or ES with it. Here also same, here also same, and in next 2 more formations there also same. He does not play football. He is our subject. He is our subject. Does is our helping verb. For negativity not we use play. It is our first form of the verb. We didn't use S or ES here, and football is our object. Next one formation is for interrogative sentence, and in interrogative sentence always helping verb come first. And what is our helping verb in present indefinite? Do or do or does is our helping verb. Do and does come first, subject plus first form plus object. And don't forget this one sign. This one sign is for sign of it is sign of interrogation. We always this sign at the last of the interrogative sentence. Example is, does Anil sing a song? Does, first of all, helping verb. This one is our helping verb. This one is our subject. This one is our first form of verb. And this one is our object, and this one is our sign of interrogation. So it is our interrogative sentence. Yes, number 4 formation is for interrogative plus negative sentence. Here in this formation we will get interrogation also and negativity also. Do and does. For interrogative we will use helping verb first of all, and for negativity we will use not. So what is our formation? Do or does, helping verb, subject, not plus V1 plus a object. Our example is, do you not play football? Do is our helping verb, you is our subject, not is for negativity, this one is our verb, and this one is our object. So it is our interrogative or a negative sentence. Next one is formation is for WH words. WH words means what, when, why. जो हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, WH word will come first, then helping verb, do or does, then our subject, then our first form and the object. And such type of sentences, these are also interrogative sentences to ask questions. For example, when do I get up? When do I get up? When is our WH word, do is our helping verb, I is our subject, and this one is our first form of a verb. So it is our interrogative sentence with the use of a WH word. One more thing I want to explain to you here. We discuss we will use first form of verb, we will use first form or S or ES, we will use do, we will use does, but confusion is where to use first form, where to use first form with S or ES, where to use do and where to use does. So in this table everything is clear in front of you. Here I have written first form or S or ES, means where we will use first form S or ES, and does, and where we use first form of verb and do. So singular noun. Singular noun means एक वचन. एक वचन के साथ हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म में एस और ईएस का यूज करेंगे. और इफ अवर सेंटेंस इज नेगेटिव और इंटेरोगेटिव, वी विल टेक हेल्पिंग वर्ब डज. सिंगुलर नाउन एंड सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन. सिंगुलर नाउन लाइक मोहन. मोहन plays cricket. What is Mohan? Mohan is singular noun. So with verb what we use? We will use S or ES. S or ES where we will use? Where we will get singular noun. Singular pronoun. Megha. Megha is also singular noun. He, she and it. All these are for a singular pronoun. Singular means ये pronoun एक वचन के लिए प्रयोग होते हैं. He goes to market. What is he here? He is our pronoun and a singular pronoun. Next one is first form of verb and a do. We have to use first form of the verb and we have to use a do. Yes, plural noun. First form come with a plural noun, and do is also come with plural noun or a pronoun. Girls. Girls is plural noun. Girls go to park. Girls. Here only first form we use. Why we use first form only? Because it is a plural noun, and with plural pronoun also. Plural pronoun is we and they, and you and I always take first form of the verb. I is singular, I is used for one, but it always take first form of the verb. You also always take first form of the verb, and these pronouns and plural noun always take does helping verb. If we will make it negative sentence, then what we will make? Girls don't go to park. Then it will be our a negative sentence, and our helping verb will be do. Yes, uses of present indefinite tense. Where we will use present indefinite tense. We have learned formations, but these formation where we use, कैसे हम इस formations को use करेंगे, किस situation में ये formations हम use करेंगे, किस situation में हम present indefinite tense को use करेंगे, to express habitual action or facts. To express habitual action means किसी हमारी हैबिट को शो करने के लिए, हमारी आदत को बताने के लिए हमें प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस का यूज़ करेंगे. ग्रैंडपा टेक्स हिज मॉर्निंग टी एट 7 AM मीन्स ग्रैंडपा इज इन हैबिट टू टेक हिज मॉर्निंग टी एट 7 AM. तो व्हाट इज प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट हियर? दिस वन इज आवर वर्ब, एंड विद वर्ब वी यूज एस और es. And why we use s or es here? Because this one is our singular noun. This one is our singular noun. Next one is to express general truth. अगर कोई जनरल ट्रूथ, कोई एक ऐसी सच्चाई है जिसको हम नहीं नकार सकते. The planets revolve around the sun. इससे हम डिनाई नहीं कर सकते. The planet revolve around the sun. What is it? It is a journal truth. And what is revolve here? Revolve is our first form of the verb. And why we use first form of the verb? Because it is our plural noun. And with plural noun, we use first form of a verb. Next one is, it is used to express scientific fact. कोई भी साइंटिफिक फैक्ट को दर्शाने के लिए, साइंटिफिक फैक्ट मीन्स साइंस ने जिस फैक्ट को प्रूव कर दिया है, उस फैक्ट को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए वी विल यूज प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. वाटर एवोपोरेट्स ऑन हीटिंग. दिस इज द फैक्ट. वाटर एवोपोरेट्स. If we will give heat to that, it will evaporates. So it is a scientific fact. Our next use is, it is used in proverbs. अगर कोई कहावत है, कोई proverb है, तो हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? We will use present indefinite. It takes two to make a quarrel. दो के बिना झगड़ा नहीं होता. तो it means it takes two to make a quarrel. Takes. What is takes here? Our first form of the verb with s or a es. And because it is our singular pronoun. With singular pronoun also we will use first form and s or es. Next one is to indicate a planned future event. means अगर हमने कोई प्लानिंग की है, फ्यूचर के लिए कोई प्लानिंग की है, भविष्य के लिए कोई प्लानिंग की है, उस प्लानिंग को फ्यूचर टेंस में इंडिकेट ना करके हम उसको प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस में भी एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. आवर एग्जाम स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट मंडे. नेक्स्ट मंडे इज फ्यूचर. विल से भी हम इंडिकेट कर सकते हैं, बट हमने यहाँ पे क्या यूज़ किया है? व्हाट वी यूज़ हेयर? वी यूज़ हेयर प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट. इट मीन फर्स्ट फॉर्म और एस और es we use here with a singular noun. Our exam starts from next Monday. So it is a planning for the future and near future. So we are indicating it with a present indefinite tense. Yes, next rule is it is used instead of simple future tense in the if clause of conditional sentence. It means if our sentence is conditional sentence, अगर वहाँ पे हमारी कुछ कंडीशन है, कंडीशनल सेंटेंस है, कंडीशनल सेंटेंस में हम मोस्टली क्या यूज़ करते हैं? सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस. ऑन द instead of simple future tense, it is used instead of simple future tense in the if clause of conditional sentence. If it rains, यदि बारिश होती है, we shall not go out, हम बाहर नहीं जाएंगे. What is the condition? कि बारिश होती है तो हम बाहर नहीं जाएंगे. तो this one is if clause condition. In if clause condition with the if, this one is the sentence that is connected with the if clause, and here we will use present indefinite tense. It means here is first form or s or es, and where we get first form and s or es? In present indefinite tense. We shall go out. So it is our conditional sentence with the if clause. We will take exercise. We will take some examples for the clarification of all these rules. Our exercise is our first sentence, birds blank in the air. You have verb is fly. What you will use? First of all, you observe this word is singular or plural. It is plural word. Plural word, then what we will use? First form of the verb. So what is the first form? It is same. Birds fly in the air. Next one is good boys their elders. Verb is obey. Observe your subject good boys. Plural. Then our verb is obey. Because what we will use with plural? First form of verb. Next one is blank. He blank to school every day. It is habit. Habitual action it is showing every day. स्कूल जाता है, स्कूल नहीं जाता है, क्यों जाता है? इट मीन्स इट इज हैबिचुअल. गो इज वर्ब हेयर एंड हेयर इज इफ आवर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ब्लैंक है हमारा, तो वट विल कम हेयर? वट विल कम हेयर? साइन ऑफ इंटेरोगेशन एट लास्ट, बिकॉज इट इज इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस, बिकॉज इंटेरोगेटिव helping verb come at a first. So with helping verb is do and does. Our helping verb is do and does. So what will come with he? With he it will come a does. Does he and always come first form. Does he go to school every day? Our examination blank on 3rd July this year. This year 3rd July. 3rd July आने वाला है. It is future planning on fixed date. So it is, we can use present indefinite. Begins. Our examination begins on 3rd July this year. Next one is the sun blank in the east and in the west. ये क्या? Universal truth. It is universal truth, and in universal truth, in rules with it, what we use present indefinite tense. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So students, this one is the formation of present indefinite. All formations I discussed with you, and all the rules I discuss, and all the rules I take in exercise. I hope you will understand it, you will like it, and you will share and subscribe it.